In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a simple but powerful shopping wishlist system in Notion from scratch. This is perfect if you want to track items you plan to buy, compare prices, set priorities, and stay organized without using multiple apps. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean wishlist table you can customize for anything from tech gadgets to groceries. If you enjoy Notion tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more productivity and software guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and navigate to the page where you want to create your shopping wishlist system. You can also open the shopping wishlist system page if you're following along with an existing workspace. Once you're on the page, click anywhere on the blank area so you can start adding content. Now, type /table on your keyboard. This opens Notion's block menu. From the options that appear, click on Table View. This will instantly create a new database table on your page, which we'll use as the foundation for our wishlist system. You'll see the first column already created. Click into the column header and type Item. This column will store the names of the products you want to add to your wishlist. Under the Item column, click into the first row and type Kindle Paperwhite. This will be our first wishlist item. In the next row below, type Keyboard to add another product you're interested in buying. Next, we're going to add pricing information. Move your cursor to the right side of the table and click on Add Property. From the property type options, select Number. This will create a new column for prices. Click into the first row under this new column and type $149 to represent the price of the Kindle Paperwhite. In the next row, type $80 for the keyboard price. This makes it easy to compare costs at a glance. Now let's add a priority system so you know which items matter most. Click on Add New again to create another property. This time, choose Text as the property type. Rename this column to Priority. Inside the priority cells, you can use emojis to visually represent urgency. Click into a cell and type $hour. From the autocomplete menu, select the hourglass emoji to indicate items that can wait. In another cell, type $fire and select the fire emoji to mark high-priority items you want to buy soon. This simple emoji-based priority system makes your wishlist much more visual and easier to scan. At this point, you have a fully functional shopping wishlist system in Notion with item names, prices, and priorities. You can keep expanding this by adding more properties like links, stores, notes, or even a checkbox for purchase items. And that's it. You've successfully built a shopping wishlist system in Notion that's clean, flexible, and easy to manage. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Notion tips, software tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.